Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to resize your photos to match Instagram's aspect ratio like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. So why is it important to match Instagram's aspect ratio? Well, if you don't, then you'll get these two black bars on the side, and if you zoom in, then you'll lose the top or the bottom part of the photo which was captured on the original photo. Some people don't mind it, but some users or photographers have taken that photograph with the composition in mind and don't want to lose that part of the photo. So the good news is that you don't need Photoshop or computer to do this. On your phone, go to your App Store or Play Store and download this app called Snapseed. This is available on iOS device and Android device. Once you've downloaded, go ahead and open it. Now within the app, select your photo from the photo library. So as you can see, this photo is taken on a 3:2 ratio. To post on Instagram's wall post, your photo needs to be in the 1:1 ratio, which is a square. If I tap on tools and then crop, make sure square is selected. So this represents the 1:1 ratio. So this is what your photo will look like on Instagram's post. As you can see, we have lost the top and the bottom of the photo. Now we don't want to lose the top and the bottom of the photo, so what we'll do is we'll expand the photo. So to do this, press X. Now tap on tools and then choose expand. This is the expand tool which will basically fill in the gaps on the edge by copying what is around it. And now from here, start to expand your left and right edges of the photo. Try to take your time on this and try to expand the maximum you can go without destroying the quality of the photo. Try to make the photo into a square shape. Once you're happy, tap on the tick mark. Now if you have some parts where the expand tool has not properly duplicated the area, you can use a healing tool to sort it out. So go into tools, now select healing tool, zoom into the area which will be mainly your sides, then using the brush, just swipe around the area to heal the image. Once you're happy with it, then tap on the tick at the bottom right. Now go back to your tool and select crop. Make sure square is selected, which is the 1:1 ratio, and then go ahead and crop the image by pressing the tick. Once you're happy with the resize, go ahead and export it. On the screen, make sure you press save a copy of, as you don't want to destroy the original photo. And that is it, guys. You can now post that image straight to Instagram without having the black bars on the side or having it zoomed in. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.